Put in bay traffic, November 415 Romeo Charlie, departing 21. Put in bay.
Alright, one last check. 2 mags, 2 tanks, full mix, full prop. Landing taxi nav, strobe are on. Wind's going to be a little bit cross out of the right. Clock's reset. We're lined up on 2-1. I see the numbers 2-1.
Correct.
Alrighty. Away we go. 2 seconds. Airspeed's alive at 40. Hold the center line, a little bit of right rudder. 8 seconds, 9 seconds, we should be off by the time we cross over there. Yep, and we're off. There we go. We're going to go for 80 on the climb. Cowl flaps are open. We got full flicks, full prop. There we go. 90 on the airspeed. Now let's get her up over the top here. We'll be good. Oh, nice look over the lake. I guess maybe I want my sunglasses after all. Whew. That is some nasty stuff.
Yep.
Okay, on course heading 281.
281.
500 over, turn into 281. Now there's the ferry now.
And I can see the little...
242 out of 281, yeah. Yeah, my guess is we were north of this polluter up here, right?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. And that's good for the video. We got a minute into a video.